World Cup tournaments. How you feel about tonight's game?
I mean, I think preparation-wise, we can do a lot better. I think, we came here. There's a lot of different factors that contribute to certain stuff, but I think if we look at our game personally and collectively, we think we can do a lot better. It shouldn't, we've got a lot of chances in the game, and it shouldn't take, a 90 plus minute goal. But at the end of the day, we take the win, and we have to just correct our mistakes and move forward.
Yeah, obviously the win matters. And let's go back to that point about the missed chances. Of some of them at your feet. No striker likes to miss. How do you fix that? Not just you, but the rest of the team for Sunday's game.
I just feel like there's a lot of new faces, and obviously it's competitive. People want to make the squad for the World Cup. So you go out there, you want to do your best, you want to help the team. But I just think having that and training and knowing each other will definitely help. When you go into the games, the movement that the winner will make and so forth.
A couple of days to go, Montegonians came out. What would you like to say to the folks in Kingston about Sunday's game?
Yeah, first and foremost, we thank the fans that came out to Montego Bay. Like I said, we haven't played here in a while, and we wanted to come out and put on a show and get the win. And we got the win, but we know where we can improve and get better. So hopefully on Sunday we can then polish up on our mistakes and some of the stuff that we can get better on, so that when we get to Kingston, we perform well.
All right, finally from me, Player of the Month award. Give me a reaction on that.
It's good. When you work hard, you put yourself in positions to achieve things, and I think our team back at City, we've been climbing, and we've been improving in every game, and that just helps with the momentum. So if it wasn't for my teammates and staff, the coaching staff, then that wouldn't be possible. So kudos to them, and we just keep working.
All right, thank you.
All right, Bonnie. Speak to us about how it felt in the 92nd minute when you guys finally broke the deadlock.
I mean, like I said, it shouldn't have taken that long, but we take the win and we move forward, and we just polish up on our mistakes.
And enough about the game. One question that I've always wanted to ask you is, speak to us about how it feels to lead out your national team, to wear the armband for Jamaica at such a tender age.
It's not just about the armband, it's just representing your country as a whole. I've been blessed enough to represent the senior team from a tender age, and I've had that experience. So I think it's more than just wearing the captain band, because everyone out there is a leader. So I mean, it's just an unbelievable feeling to walk out and hear the national anthem.
And there's been a recent debate, especially between me and my colleague at This or That Sports TV, implicating you as one of the greatest reggae people to ever play the game. How does it feel to be called in the likes, to be compared to the likes of Ricardo Gardner and Theodore Whitmore and players of that ilk?
For me, I just keep on working. People are gonna talk, and for me, I have my individual goals and my personal goals, and once I'm achieving my personal goals and helping the team, that's all that matters.
All right, thank you so much for talking to us.